Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Connector, part number 53045181155. The Frigidaire Connector, part number 53045181155, is a replacement part for many Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a three-pronged connector that connects the refrigerator's water line to the ice maker and water dispenser. This connector is made of durable plastic and features a secure fit to ensure a tight connection. It is designed to fit most Frigidaire refrigerators, including models with side-by-side, top freezer, and bottom freezer configurations. This part is an essential component for ensuring that your refrigerator's ice maker and water dispenser are fun. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a refrigerator water line connector, and it is used to connect the water line to the refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as a leaking water line or a water line that is not properly connected. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Locate the connector on the back of the refrigerator and remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Take the new Frigidaire connector, part number 53045181155, and insert it into the same location as the old connector. 4. Securely tighten all screws to ensure a secure connection. 5. Plug in your refrigerator and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.